The perfect walking tour of London. What do we find? To see the best of London, this is exactly where you need to go. From the chime of Big Ben to the hidden stalls of Borough Market, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the world's most iconic city. Let's go! We start where history lives, Westminster. Standing under the shadow of Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, you really feel the weight of the city. We're crossing Westminster Bridge now. Look to your right, and there it is, the London Eye towering over the Thames. This is the pulse of the capital. Next, we're diving into the heart of the action. Trafalgar Square is the city's meeting point, home to the National Gallery and those famous stone lions. But if you want to see London's creative soul, you head to Covent Garden. The street performers here are world-class, and the markets? They've been here since the 1600s. No trip is complete without a visit to the King. Buckingham Palace is stunning, especially if you catch the changing of the guard. From there, we transition into the neon glow of Piccadilly Circus and the endless energy of Soho and Leicester Square. This is where London never sleeps. We're jumping on the tube to the City of London. St. Paul's Cathedral is a masterpiece, but just down the road, the best food in the city at Borough Market. Food from all over the world. We finish our journey at the river, behind Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. London is a city of 1,000 layers, and we just scratched the surface. Don't forget to subscribe for more explorations. I'm blasting off, and we'll see you in the next city.